Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Java Expert Tutorial. So guys, today we will discuss about inheritance in Java. Inheritance is one of the most popular concept of OOPS, object-oriented programming. Let's start with what is inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object or class acquires all the properties and behavior of a parent object or class. Suppose we have two classes A and B, and B class extends class A, and suppose A class has M1 method, then M1 method is also available in class B because B extends class A. Okay. If a method is available in class A, then it is also available in class B. Okay. Inheritance represents the ISA relationship, which is also known as parent-child relationship. Let's understand what is ISA relationship. Okay. The concept of ISA relationship is totally based on inheritance. For example, apple class extends fruit class and car class extends vehicle class. That means apple is a fruit and car is a vehicle. That means parent class define the type or category of child class. Okay. And in ISA relationship, the classes are tightly coupled. That means if one class does not exist, then there is no meaning of another class. Suppose in this example, if I remove fruit class, then there is no meaning of apple class. What is apple? Okay. Then if I remove vehicle class, then there is no meaning of car. Okay. And inheritance is unidirectional. That means the reverse is not possible. That means fruit class extends apple class. It's not possible. Vehicle class extends car class. It's not possible. Okay. Then next, why use inheritance in Java? Okay, so there are two reasons to use inheritance in Java: for method overriding, to achieve runtime polymorphism, and for code reusability. Okay. Okay, so this is the syntax of inheritance: class, subclass name, extends, superclass name, and here methods and fields. Okay, so we are using extend keyword to inherit a class. The extend keywords indicates that you are making a new class that derived from an existing class. Okay. Okay, so let's understand with the practical example of inheritance. Okay. So guys, here I create two classes, vehicle and car. Car extends vehicle. Okay. And inside the vehicle class, I define some instance variables, color, model, length, and I define a method speed. Okay. And I'm just trying to print this message, 50 km/h. Okay. Then inside the main method of car class, I just create the object of car class, creating the object of car class and referencing into the same class, car class. Okay. And I'm just calling the speed method. As you can see, the speed method is not available in car class. It defined into the vehicle class. But when I call this method, the output will be like this, 50 km/h. And the method is not available. It comes from parent class. Okay, so this is inheritance. That means all the data members and methods are available in child class. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.